So today I will show you how to add icon in front of the menu, like this. So firstly, you need to find the icon. The format of the icon, usually we use the SVG format. So you can find some SVG file from internet, but we can make it by yourself using PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint, open a new document, and then insert icon. From here you can find lots of icons. For example, WordPress, we need to find some WordPress icon. Okay, let's use the database one. Now we have icon here. We need a color like red. So we fill the graphic color. Let's use the deep red. Then we right click, save as picture. Picture1.svg. Okay, save it. Then we need to upload it to the WordPress website. If you update it from the media, add new, select file, and go to picture. All files, you can find it. It will say picture.svg. Sorry, this file is not permitted for security reason. So in this case, you need to upload it from the FTP. So I'm logging in with cPanel of the GoDaddy. You need to log in, use your FTP software. Let's upload. Select file from my computer. Okay, so it is uploaded to the folder 12.2 Fabric. So after we upload it, we need to go to the appearance, then go to customize. Then we need to add additional CSS to the icon of the menu. So what we need is this code. Don't worry, I will include this code as my description. So now we have give it name, WordPress icon. Background is a picture name. So the picture name is picture1.svg. So we need to use picture1.svg. Let's use capital P. Background, no repeat. Position left. Padding 4px. Let's copy this one to additional CSS. Paste. And remember the class name. We need to copy it. First, we need to publish it. Then we need to go back to the menu. Appearance, menus. For menu, you see the WordPress menu, and under the navigation label, what we need to add is class equal then we need to close it, close I. Let's save the menu and see the result. So you can see the result, it is very small. What you need to do is to add some blank space here. So let's see the I forgot the space HTML. Oh, here, long breaking space. Let's copy it. Then we add 3 of that, 3 space. Save the menu. Let's see what's the result. Now you can see the icon in front of the menu. So that's how it works. Hope you enjoy this video. Bye-bye.